Can you fix decking to blockwork, brick and ICF? The answer is yes, you can, if you use the right fixings and consider the bearing requirements on blockwork, brick and ICF is minimum 75mm. Each end of the span, and the edges, you can lip the edge of the deck onto the supporting structure by 20mm is sufficient around the edges. Now, the fixing methods that you would use is, depending on the density of the block, brick or ICF, you would use various different fixing methods and according to the shear factors that are required. So please see the literature below, and if you have any doubt, then please let me know. The thing that we use most of the time when we're fitting decking to concrete structures is we use a GX3 Hilti. We use a GX3 Hilti nail gun at 17mm to 27mm to fit the deck, nail it down, and that is sufficient enough and has been sufficient enough to ensure the deck is fixed properly to the structure support. And then you stitch the laps at 1 metre centres using self-tap screws.